Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Recently, we have been hearing many news and updates regarding India's plan and intention to purchase various types of drones to its fleet. All this is due to the current ongoing boundary dispute with China in eastern Ladakh. These types of drones will enhance India's surveillance capability along the border and also to engage any disputes with relevant weapons. The various drones which are being planned by India are the Israel Aerospace Industries Heron and General Atomics Predator B drones from United States. India wants to acquire these Predator B drones with different payloads for Indian Air Force, Indian Army and Indian Navy. So why are we revisiting the drone topic right now? In this particular video, we would see how powerful the Sukhoi S-70 attack drones, which would be inducted by Russian military by 2024 tentatively. These stealth heavy drones are being developed by Sukhoi and MiG as a sixth generation aircraft project. Russia selected the Sukhoi and MiG for jointly developing a new heavy unmanned attack drone, and the prototype of this particular drone was first revealed during July 2017, which showed the drone's flying wing configuration. The speciality of these drones are that they contain few technologies that can be used by the fifth generation Sukhoi Su-57 fighter jets to work together. These drones were tested along with Sukhoi Su-57 to extend the fighter's radar and target destination range for use of long-range air-launched weapons from outside of enemy air defenses. Not sure if this can be integrated with other fighters like India's existing Sukhoi Su-30 MKI by doing some enhancements or changes. To quickly see the features and characteristics of this particular attack drone, the maximum speed of this drone is reportedly 1000 km per hour while carrying its payload within two internal weapons bay. The two internal weapons bay can carry up to 2000 kg of guided and unguided munitions. The range of this particular drone is said to be around 6000 kilometers. These Sukhoi S-70 attack drones would be either powered by a single AL-31F turbofan engine, which is used on Sukhoi Su-27 fighter aircrafts, or it might be powered using the improved AL-41F derivatives installed on Sukhoi Su-35 fighter jets. So do you think even India should procure these attack drones from Russia, since they already operate fighters from the same manufacturers like MiG and Sukhoi? Please leave your opinion in the comment section of this particular video. So that was a quick update on Russian stealth heavy unmanned combat aerial vehicle being developed by Sukhoi and MiG as a sixth generation aircraft project, and it is going to be inducted by Russia by 2024 tentatively. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.